Looking for means to send bulk WhatsApp messages so you can use it to promote your product or service so you can get more clients. With this software, you're able to send bulk WhatsApp message with ease. So I'm not going to waste your time, I'm just going to show you the demo of how this software works. So this software is just like 3 or 4 in one bulk sending. So what I mean is that it supports SMS sender, it supports WhatsApp sender, it supports Telegram sender, and it also supports Telegram X sender. Maybe I use the Telegram X. It supports Messenger sender as well. So basically, for this purpose of this video, we are focusing on the WhatsApp part. So if you want to watch the SMS part, you can just go to our channel. So if you're using the WhatsApp ordinary to send, if you want to use the WhatsApp ordinary to send your bulk marketing, you're going to choose the WhatsApp. If you want to use your WhatsApp business to do the marketing, you're going to choose your WhatsApp business too. I'm using the WhatsApp. So the next thing for you is to upload your contact. So if you upload your contact, so these are the ways you can upload your contact. You can select contact you want to send to from your WhatsApp contact. You can select from your contact you save on your phone. You can add manually. You can create a list, or you can import file. You can import CSV file. You can import TXT file as well. Just choose the file you want to send to. Then, so I've entered the number I'm sending to. So I'm just going to enter my message. So you have to add image. So you can have add the image. Then the next thing is just to choose your time you want to send. So I'm going to choose right now. You can schedule the sending depending on how you want to run it. So right now, send. So within few seconds, it will start sending the message. Can you see? That's all. Very fast. Can you see the message as sent? And this is the message. So it's not like all these bulk WhatsApp senders that they're going to show you that the message I sent as the message is not going to deliver. This is the message I sent and it has delivered to my other WhatsApp account. So this is how the bulk message works. So you can just upload your contacts. Just come here, upload your contacts, as many as possible. If I send it to, maybe you're in Nigeria, I want to send to other country like USA, UK, just make sure the country code is in front of it, plus and plus one. If I send it to USA, if I send it to UK, just make sure plus 44 is in the front of the number you are sending to. That's all. So this is amazing software. So let me just show you the part of the SMS as well. If you come to the SMS, just choose the network you want to use for your sending. Then choose the method you want to upload your contact. Then enter your message. So just choose the time. Then click on. You see the message I've sent. I've received the message immediately. So this is an amazing software. So that's how this software works. So you can use it for SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, email, reminder, call, and fake call as well. So for you to get the software, you can just message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram by checking this YouTube video description. So thank you. We'll see you again.